Hey guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another YouTube video. And in today's video, after a year and a half, I'm going to be trying out some celebrity favorite products on my channel. So if you're new on my channel for the very first time, hi, I'm Shritama. I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. Take a minute, subscribe to my channel, would mean the world to me. You can also follow me on my Instagram, the handle is right here on the screen. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. Now most celebrities I'm sure use luxury and high-end products. Now मैंने research करके I've narrowed down a list of some affordable drugstore products which celebrities love using. Now, the first product comes from Miss Kendall Jenner and it's the Contour Cube. Now I have this one and I bought this one for rupees 50 or 80 if I'm not wrong. You get this easily in local markets, but of course the one Kendall uses is from the brand Contour Cube जो कि यहाँ पे मिलता नहीं है. So I had to do with the next best thing available. You'll get this product online as well. I think Ghar soaps make it and SB normal काफी sellers है. You'll get it as low as 50 rupees भी. Now coming to the actual product, getting this guy to open, and I'm telling you, I'm like this one, I don't open easily. I mean matlab I have had this outside for 2 minutes and I'm barely able to open it. So there's a gap on the top of this head जो ऐसे flap की तरह खुलता है, and you have to pour water or stuff in this. Now you can make aloe water, cucumber water, chia seed water depending upon however you like. But I will say कि if you're adding chia seeds, aloe vera, cucumber जो भी डालो, it will kind of sediment and fall to the bottom of this. And honestly कोई फायदा नहीं होता until and unless you're making flavored water and you're properly crushing the chia seeds or the cucumber in the water, then only I feel like इसका कुछ काम होगा. Otherwise normal water से this also works quite well. You take this off, you take the cap off जो कि अभी भी नहीं खुल रहा मुझसे, and you have to kind of apply this on your face in any direction if you will. You can drain your lymph nodes जैसे गुआशा करते हैं, you can do that as well. I really like to use it bare face without any skincare, like just before I will do my skincare, especially in the summers because it does really work. I mean obviously icing is an age-old technique and it works for your skin. Now is this a necessary product or an essential product? Not necessarily, because you can just make do with a छोटा सा ice cube in your hand and you can just rub it on your face. I mean इसका main concept is that your hands shouldn't hurt when you're icing your face, and I agree it's not hurting my hands क्योंकि मैंने बहुत time से I'm holding it, it's not hurting my hand, but I feel like it's kind of a big wastage because इतना ज़्यादा ice इसमें जमता है कि you cannot obviously use it in one go and you have to keep using the same ice cube like 2 or 3 times, which at the end of the day is unsanitary and unhygienic. Make your mind, if you want to get it, but it's not really a necessity. Next up we have a favorite from Bollywood actor Shraddha Kapoor and it is the My Glam Super Serum BB Cream. Now इतना छोटा सा bottle I think retails for 299 229. Even keeping that aside, this was launched in 2023 and in 2023 a BB cream has been launched in a whopping shade range of 2 shades. How cool, guys. Now I think I have the darkest shade with me, which is in the shade Almond, and coming to this product I abso-freaking-lutely hate it. Now almond shade है guys, and obviously it's like orange, it's not even anywhere close to my skin tone. Now there is some problem with this product. This just does not sit well on my skin. Now I don't know कि genuinely Shraddha Kapoor likes it or was that article posted for the promotion of this product, because this is just a bad product. Like I cannot justify it to be a good product because it's genuinely bad. And no matter what primer you use, आप इसके साथ My Glam का ही primer use कर लो, it will not stay. So definitely skip out on this one. I really hate it. And honestly, I'm just not understanding the concept of makeup brands, infusing skincare with makeup. अगर मुझे skincare ही करना है तो मैं अलग से ही skincare ना खरीद लूँ. I'll buy a niacinamide serum, I'll buy a hyaluronic acid serum. I do not want those serums in my makeup. Next up, we have a favorite from Miss Kylie Jenner and it is this triangular pizza puff. Now I abso-freaking-lutely love this product. This one is from Zudio. I obviously don't know the one which Kylie uses, but I'm assuming it will be some high-end product only. But oh my god, you guys, I just didn't know what my life was missing before I bought this. I know, quite dramatic, but this is honestly one of the best puffs. You can just bend it like this and it goes into the crevices of your eyes and just एकदम minutely, precisely it is going to apply powder and it just sets your skin so beautifully. I always take this product with me whenever I'm on the go. I just take a little bit of compact and just dab it on my face. It is just perfect for touch-ups and I always put it in my my purse. Now I've not used this ever to blend foundations or concealers, but I think you can use that as well. I totally love this, and I do understand why Kylie always carries this product in her purse. Next we have Sunny Leone's favorite, and those are chopsticks.
I carry this with me. I know it's really weird, it's just one chopstick. This is because I believe in traditional Chinese medicine. I get migraines, so there's a pressure point here, 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 and here. These are your magic points. So when I get a migraine headache, I apply pressure in the center, and if I press really hard, I can find exactly where that pressure point is.
It may seem very random, but I read in an article that she really likes to use chopsticks. I think preferably she uses the metallic ones for acupressure. Now I do know there are some acupressure points on the tips of your fingers which are really good. I mean, if you're into Ayurveda and stuff, you will probably know that better than me. This does work, I feel like, whenever especially you're stressed, and you know, for something to fidget on, this is not a bad hack at all. More than a product, I think this is actually a hack. But yeah, it's not half bad, and chopsticks घर पे तो पड़ा ही रहेगा, so you can definitely try it. Next we have Tina Datta's favorite. She's actually an Indian television actress. Now she really likes to keep Johnson Baby cream in her purse at all times.
This, you might find it funny, but Johnson Baby cream, because again my skin gets very dry, and अगर मैं निकल गई and I have a long day and my face is feeling very dry, so ठीक है Johnson, थोड़ा सा Johnson लगा लेती हूँ, and then probably I'll put some blush on, or I'll just skip it and just a little bit of lip shade. So Johnson is a must that is always there in my bag.
And I think the one that she had was the pink Johnson's Baby, but I think this one is much better than the pink one. This hydrates for a really longer time, and I really like the formula of this one. Now I know I'm maybe 20, but I still love using Johnson's Baby cream because honestly there's nothing like this in the market. This is the milk plus rice cream variant, and this is just so good. It is so lightweight on the skin, especially if you have oily skin, you're going to love it. Like, I know when I had my oily skin era, I used to freaking love this because it just, you know, melts down into your skin so well. चिपचिपा भी नहीं लगता. It's not over the top moisturizing that your skin will feel sweaty. It is just a perfect moisturizer. आजकल I don't know, for some reason this is not that easily available, but online you'll always get this, and do definitely grab it. It's quite affordable and a bang for your buck. Next product comes from the makeup mogul Huda Kattan, and it is one of her favorites. It's the Bioderma Sensi Bio Gel Mousse, and it is an amazing product. I do totally agree with her. It has a gel-like consistency, and whenever you use it with water, it will ever so gently, you know, take off all your makeup. And Bioderma ke all the products, their Atoderm cream, be it their micellar water or even this gel mousse, is totally love. You just need the tiniest bit of product, and it will just emulsify all your makeup so well. Now the last product is one of Kiara Advani's favorite, and it's the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. I do not really have the product with me right now, but I've used it so many times in the past. It is one of my favorite moisturizers, especially for oily skin gals and especially during summer. थोड़ा सा ही लगता है and your skin feels so fresh and hydrated. It's not over the top moisturizing, and if you just need a little bit of hydration and on the go, definitely grab that one.